Hi, I'm Heather McFall, and I'll be presenting at the National Guild of Hypnotists Convention this August. The two talks I'm doing are Get to Teaching. So maybe you have seen a few clients and you need to do some public speaking, or you need to take action on that certified instructor course that you took. And sometimes we get a little scared and don't know how to take that first step. So the Get to Teaching seminar is just going to help you to get comfortable with making phone calls for free public speaking, and also how to set up starting your classes if you're going to teach a beginner hypnosis class through the Guild, if you're a new certified instructor. So that course is going to give you step-by-step ways to do that, and a little bit of confidence building so that you can feel comfortable and confident getting to action. Now, the other seminar that I'm doing is Prevent Client Complaints. If you've been seeing clients for quite a while, or a lot of clients, and you're starting to notice that every once in a while you have somebody that says, I don't think I'm really being hypnotized, or I'm not really getting this, we're going to dissect how that happens, and then I'm going to teach you how to prevent those client complaints. So don't miss my talks. Get to Teaching. If you want to get yourself in front of an audience and you need to get the courage to do it, or the understanding of the basic steps to make that happen, and Prevent Client Complaints, how to find out what they're doing before they make the complaint. And I'll see you all in August at the National Guild Convention. I look forward to seeing you there.